Hi! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Firstly, just go into settings and tap on security section right away. Now tap on face unlock and enter your current screen lock. After that, you need to select more at the bottom right corner and just agree at the bottom right corner as well. Then tap on start and remember to keep your face in frame. After that, you need to click on done at the bottom right corner and click on home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!